Here we go, ride number one. There's the whip right there. 23-inch frame Giant Escape. Let's do this.
I stay out too late. Got nothing in my brain. That's what people say. That's what people say. I go on too many dates, but I can't make them stay. At least that's what people say. That's what people say. But I keep cruising. Can't stop, won't stop moving. It's like I got this music in my mind saying it's.
Alright, made it to our first destination, and gonna go in here to my appointment and then hopefully look for a place to eat on our way home. Alright, just finished at my appointment. It's about 12:45 and I'm starving, so we're gonna head out and go in search of our first blog post. Alright, here we go.
Can't stop, won't stop moving. It's like I got this music in my mind saying it's gonna be alright. 'Cause the player's gonna play, and the haters gonna hate, baby. I'm just gonna shake it off, Heartbreaker's gonna break.
Did you guys serve food? No, that's okay. I just wanted to serve food.
Shake it off,